Okay, hello everyone. So today, okay, I'm gonna teach you, alright, paper strategic business leader. Alright. So topic for today, we're gonna learn about suitability, acceptability, and feasibility framework, or in short, it is called SAF. Okay, SAF framework. Okay. Alright. So let's learn together. Okay. So what is the purpose of this framework? Okay, it is used by a company to evaluate whether to undertake a particular strategy. Okay, so meaning that in exam, okay, let's say the question asks you to evaluate, all right, strategy. For example, okay, evaluate potential acquisition. Then you can use SAF model to construct your answer. Alright, so let's learn the definition of suitability, acceptability, and feasibility. Okay, suitability, okay, it refers to whether a strategy makes sense in a current situation. Okay, this refers to external and internal factors. Alright, okay, that is suitability. Okay, acceptability, okay, it refers to expected risks and returns from particular strategy. All right, from particular strategy. Okay, this usually relate to financial. Okay, for example, your financial ratio, okay, such as ROCE, gearing, net operating margin, okay, sorry, net profit margin, operating profit margin. Okay, next, okay, feasibility. Okay, feasibility refers to whether company have resources and competence to undertake a particular strategy. Okay, for example, okay, resources such as cash. Okay, competence in this case, experience, whether or not company have take that strategy before. All right. Okay. All right. So let's go through some question. So I will use ACCA, SBL, BPP, SBL practice revision kit. All right. So let's go through question. So let's go through past year question. Okay. Highlight Hotel in December 2018. Okay. Highlight Hotel December 2018. Okay. Let's read the introduction together. Okay. Highlight Hotel is a listed hotel chain located in the country of D-Land. Okay, so this is currently, okay, this is your business nature. They are hotel chain, they are listed. They're located in the country of D-Land. Okay, D-Land is developed economy which has experienced strong growth in the last 15 years. Okay, okay, let's look at the highlight target customer. Normally attract those travelers seeking to no free accommodation at reasonable price, as such as it refer to as budget hotel chain. Okay, so currently Highlight is a budget hotel chain. Alright, so Highlight founded 40 years ago in the capital city of D-Land. Since then has grown significantly. 510 hotel, approximately 46,000 by the end of 20x7 and 20x8. Okay, alright. Okay, so alright. Every Highlight hotel has a similar layout and design, and mostly located at airport, city center, and close to major transport route. Alright, so such as the land main road and network from train station. Okay, since it was founded, all the Highlight growth has been achieved organically within D-Land. So meaning that in this case, D-Land have never taken any acquisition before. Okay, take note of that. Okay, let's go through the requirement. Okay, using the fact sheet referred to above and any other relevant information, okay, prepare a report for the finance director. Okay, that's your audience there. Okay, evaluate the proposal to acquire combined hotel chain. Okay, so you realize, okay, the requirements is evaluate, okay, proposal to acquire. Okay, this is your strategy. Okay, so evaluate strategy. Okay, you can use SAF model: suitability, acceptability, and feasibility. Okay, let's look at the fact sheet. Okay, this one is important to you. fact sheet relating to highlight proposal to, okay, to highlight proposed acquisition target, and then, all right, then any other proposal. Okay, so maybe we can look at any other exhibit that relevant in the case. Okay, let's look at the exhibit. Okay, exhibit 3. Okay, so I just give you example. Okay, exhibit 3. All right. Okay, let's go through the information. Okay, Confy Stay is a family-run business. All right. Okay, so let's use SAF model. All right. So currently, as we know, Highlight is public listed company. So they want to acquire Confy is family business. So meaning that in this case, okay, you can put this under suitability. So meaning that in this case, all right, it's not consistent with our current situation. All right, because why? Okay, because we are public listed company, Confy is family business. So family business, okay, their values is, okay, they want to protect family values compared to public listed company, which is 100% profit oriented. So the problem might arise is that there might occur culture clash there. Okay, besides that, okay, all right, the hotel of Confy located mainly in coastal resort of Vilandia. So mainly located in the coastal region, whereas our hotel located in the city center. All right, so that maybe you can write in the suitability part. So that is not consistent with our current situation there. Next, currently, all right, okay, Confy is a mid-range hotel, not classed as budget hotel. Okay, it's different from you. You are a budget hotel, so not consistent with your current situation. Okay, all right. Next, okay, Vilandia is 5,000 miles from the land. So meaning that in this case, it's located in a different country. It's not consistent with your current situation. All right, so you might not understand the market there in the Vilandia. Right. Next, some evidence use of underage labor minors in the hotel industry has been found. All right, so in this case, you not use, okay, highlight do not use underage labor. It's not consistent. All right. Okay, Vilandia is dry. Okay, so that is some of the answer you can write in the suitability. Next, okay, how about feasibility? Okay, one of the things that you can write is the net present value here. This is a financial returns, right? Okay, so you can write there. And also, if you realize, okay, initial investment 80,000. All right. So net present value is a return. So return over initial investment. All right. So you can use ROI, return on investment. All right. So that you can write in your acceptability part. Okay. How about feasibility? Okay. Feasibility is about whether company has resource and competence in undertaking the strategy. So in this case, as you have read previously, so we previously only achieve growth using organic growth. So meaning that in this case, we do not have experience in acquisition. So what may happen is that, all right, so we may not have experience in managing and running the company post-acquisition. As a result, it may lead to failure, acquisition failure. Next, okay, in regards to the resources. So currently, okay, we are public listed company. So meaning that in this case, we are a larger company. So perhaps you can assume that we can have, all right, resources. Okay, you can have enough cash to acquire the company. All right. And also, it be said that finance for this investment will be available through a combination of equity and debt finance. Sorry. So meaning that in this case, you can say, okay, we have, okay, resources, because what? Okay, we can combine equity and debt to acquire Confy. All right. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. All right. Thank you.